Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Symmetry tool on Procreate. So first, after you open the app and choosing the screen size and the canvas, and then you can tap modify and go to settings and then tap on Symmetry. And there you see that every time you tap on the other side of the canvas, the opposite side will show the same thing. So sometimes when you use dark color, the symmetry line is not very clear. So to change the color is you go to settings and then you tap on guide settings, and then now you see the color on top. You can just slide to see. There you see that the color changes, so it's easier for you. So for example, I'm gonna use turquoise so I can see clearly and helps me draw on Procreate. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.